much time will it take for a minimum wage worker in India to earn what a most paid executive at a top leading company in India earns in a year? Any guess, anybody? It is a whopping 941 years approximately. Or in other words, it can be said that just 17.5 days is enough for this top paid executive at a top leading company to earn what a minimum wage worker in India earns in his entire lifetime. As per the recent Oxfam report, the comparison is much starker. It would take approximately 22,277 years for a domestic female worker to earn to match up with this best paid executive in India. Seems interesting, right? But actually, this is our India now. The stark contrast between the rich and poor is increasing at a higher range. Let us look at some more statistics. There are 119 billionaires in India at present, and their number has increased from 9 in 2000 to 117 in 2017, which means in just 17 years there is a massive change. And between 2018 and 22, India is estimated to produce 70 more billionaires per day. And by the way, 67 millions of Indians who comprises poorest of the total population saw just 1% increase in their income. 73% of wealth generated in 2017 went into the richest, while 67 millions of Indians who comprises total population just saw 1% increase in their income. Now, what is this? This is not just an income disparity. India is facing the worst economic crisis in its history. Abandoned construction sites seen all over the urban center is a reflection of this. India's economy has decelerated rapidly over the last 2 years and the GDP growth is reduced to 5%. Banking sector is in severe crisis and there is a manifold increase in the non-performing assets. The purchasing power of common man has reduced, which resulted in massive sales destruction in almost every sectors, and this caused unemployment. Perhaps the most and single cause for this situation is obviously the demonetization. The present regime came into power with offering Achha Din, never had convincing economic policies to take our nation ahead. I personally believe all nuisance being made is just to divert our attention from this economic crisis, which will affect each and every person of our country adversely. Now, it is the responsibility of students to become familiar with economics and to become famous economists like Raghuram Rajan and Abhijit Banerjee to help our country to become the richest one. Thank you.